yesterday when I chose to come on this program, one of the big things, I came down and jokingly said, you're here to fix my life, which is an exaggeration, but from a perspective of my business and where I'm at, I have been flailing around in confusion for a while now, and I just wanted to reach that clarity. And when I met Kath, it was a case of, okay, this session is about immersion, it's about discovering your original self and what feels true to you. And I think, yeah, that sounds exactly what I want. I also would really like some technical marketing skills because I've got no clue. But before I do that, I can't market something when I don't know what it is. So yesterday was tough for me, and I knew it was going to be, because it was all about really challenging yourself and who you are and what you want. And so I was deeply, deeply uncomfortable and stressed at various points in the day. But I knew it was going to happen, so I accepted that. Then we had a magic moment at the end of the day where it kind of all came together in this single concept for me, which gave me an identity that I can relate to. So I feel like, yesterday just paid for itself all by itself, and now we're working into the nitty-gritty and helping me flesh that out into more detail. So it's so cool, because I am one of life's natural procrastinators, and we'll put this off for as long as you can. Sometimes you've just got to pay money or allocate resources of time to kind of grab yourself and go, you must do this now. So that's kind of what I'm doing. I'm doing it now. I'm forcing myself to write things down, put pen to paper, or Kath's forcing me. Really. So yeah, I know I'm feeling really comfortable that even if we don't quite get where the workshop agenda says, I've got what I came to get.